To make good profits out of stock market, a very simple trading strategy that you should know. You can implement this strategy into your own system, or you can just trade it alone. I don't want to waste more of your time, so let's go to the screen. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can combine RSI divergence with the price action. So many traders use price action to execute the trades, right? So there is a breakout, there is a triangular pattern, support, resistance, everything. So what I'm teaching you in this class is you can combine the RSI divergence with price action. So it will give you more effective trades. So what I'm gonna show you as an example is Tesla stock. First of all, I will tell you this RSI divergence indicator. This is a divergence indicator that you can find in the indicator section of the trading view. You can go to trading view and then search for indicators, and you must find this RSI divergence indicator, or you can even use a simple RSI. I will tell you how to use this. Okay. So first let me make a line here. Okay, so it is making higher highs. It made a higher high here, then here, then here. Okay, so now but in RSI, the RSI is making lower highs, right? Here it was having a value of around 87, and then here it was having value of around 72. But here the price was great, right? At this point the price was 285 and here 270. So we can say this is a divergence. So what this mean is when a stock is making higher highs and RSI is making lower highs, then that means the stock is gonna fall a little, right? It's gonna fall. It's not a strategy that is 100% the stock will fall. Sometimes it fails also. So you need to keep this in your mind. So yeah, you can use this strategy with your own system. Say you are trading with your own system. You have some system like you are using moving averages, or you are using other indicators. I don't know what indicators, but you can combine your strategy with this strategy. So it will give you more effective, buy and sell signals. So we can see here like when stock was making higher highs but RSI was making lower highs. So at the time, yes, we can see a little bit of fall in the stock. So here it started, right? So from 283 to it came to 215 around something. This is for sell signal, but I'm also wanna show you some buy signal. So for buy signal, I'm using the example of Netflix. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a trend line here. So you can see here the stock was making lower lows, right? But the RSI wasn't making lower lows, it was making higher highs. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, you can see here it was when the price was here, the RSI was here, but when the price came down, the RSI was a little higher. So at the time we can initiate a buy position in the stock. So we can see like after that the stock was in range bound, then after that it you know there was a little bull run after that. So you can it's not a 100% strategy that you will not gonna make loss. You will make loss, so that's why the stop loss is here. But you can use this strategy with price action, so it will give you better better understandings of how the market works, right? So let's say the example here. So here what we can do is we can make a horizontal line, right? So like this is acting as a resistance, but here we can see that the price crossed again, but again it fell, right? But here it was showing like we need to sell. So here was our price, and then the price was here, but the RSI was making lower highs. So at that time we could have sell the position, but the stop loss it's here, but again it fell down. So sometimes it happens. So there is no strategy that is very 100% like okay, you're gonna make profit with this strategy. So yeah, so this was the strategy that I wanted to share with you. So this is a very simple strategy, but you use this strategy with the price action. Stock is making double top, RSI is showing some divergence, so you can just say like okay, I'm gonna sell this stock, or making a double bottom, then at that time you can say okay, I'm gonna buy the stock if you can get another indication from RSI divergence. Yeah, so here we are using the simple RSI. I am not using the RSI divergence indicator that I just showed you. You don't get the RSI divergence indicator, then I will also give you the Pine script for this, and you can just copy that and paste that into your Pine editor, and you can get a strategy. You need to just find it yourself, right? If you are using simple RSI indicator. Let me zoom it a little more. Yeah. So yeah, so here we can see. See. The stock was making same highs, but the RSI was not making same highs. We need to find it manually. Here is the RSI divergence indicator. So this is it. You can just find it with the help of this indicator. So this was it, and I hope you like this video. Implement this strategy with your strategy, and just see how effective it is, and let me know if you have any doubts in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.